What's up, everybody? It's CTNT here. And today I'm bringing you another video. And today I'm making a tutorial video. And I'm going to show you how to fix your printer. Like if it's not if it ain't printing, I'm gonna show you how to fix that. Okay? Because my grandpa's isn't working. I'm trying to fix it because it shouldn't be hard. Let's go. I'll be back to see what's wrong with it. Okay. So he's telling me that the printer isn't printing right now, so I'm gonna get a picture real quick. Like, what's happening? Okay. I've got paper. Well, I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I checked that there's paper, so it should be okay. So I'm going to look up like a picture, just a random picture. Let's see. I'll just go here. Let's go. Okay, don't care right now. Okay, so I'm gonna look up. It's a picture let's see. I'm gonna YouTube. Just look up YouTube. A random picture. Yeah, I'll print this. Save images. Download. No, I don't want downloads. Pictures. There. And I'll open it up. Pictures. YouTube right here. I'm gonna click print. Let's see, not letter size. Let's do. Okay. So I'm gonna do just 4x6. Full page photo, yes. ME78. Let's see, is that it? 7840. This is 7640. Okay. Let's see. 7640. Right here. Load it up. Let's see if it prints. And it is not printing. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. So I got into the settings and I'm checking why it says offline. So open queue, full page photo, printer, search default printer, yes. Seeing this printer is what means Windows will stop managing your default printer.
Well, she needed her nails trimmed anyway. They were long.
Okay. So it should, hopefully it prints. I'm not sure why it's offline. Okay. Let's try something. My camera's kind of bad. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so, connect. Nope. Okay. Okay, so it's connected to Sprint Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm back. And I'm connecting to it, trying to. My email address. Okay. Email and okay. Now let's try connecting the printer like this. HP printing. Sorry, I can't show you it. Let's set up. There we go. Go set up. Back setup. Web services setup. Network setup. Parentheses. Date. English. The heck? Okay, let's try to print it again. So I'll be back, right? Okay, so I'm going to try to print it again. Let's do normal quality. I guess letter size. Network. This. Yeah. See if it's printing. Okay. I'm gonna go. I'll be right. I'm gonna go and check devices real quick. So. Okay. So I see there's two of these. I'm gonna see if I switch it to all at the scanner. Oh. Let's just try it. Never mind. That's not gonna work. Default. Why is it offline? That's what I don't get. Print a test page. Let's try that. Oh, printer properties. There we go. Alright, so. Okay, so I'm trying to do it again. So I'm gonna print a test. No, I'll go to prefaces. There we go. Right here. And then general two-sided. It's all locked. This should be all locked. Print this page. Has been sent to your printer. This test briefly demonstrates the printer's ability to print graphics and test technical effort. Okay, so it did not print. It's still there. So I'll just I'll back. Okay, so I found out it's the printer. It's not the computer. It's nothing with the computer. So it's just the printer. And for some reason it's I gotta figure out why. Okay, so echo. Clicked on echo. Here I clicked on that, that's right. Okay. Alright, so I tried this thing. I tried like you really can't see it. It's dark. And so there's this thing right here. Can't see it. But like under this is paper and I took out the tray. I'm like ordering and fixing and see if it'll print, so I'm gonna try it. This might not be it because it's offline, so I'm just gonna try. And then I'm looking for this. And I'm gonna print it. Try to print. And there's no noise coming out. Nothing's happening. So I don't get it. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So it was offline, but I guess your computer has to be connected to it. And you have to go to this app called, if you have the HP Envy 7640, HP AO, this app right here. All in one remote right here. And see, it is printing. See? Got the YouTube. And it's still printing because I printed too many of these. But hope you enjoy. This was a good tutorial. Please subscribe. And I'm out. Peace.